Wave-particle duality is one of the most fascinating concepts in quantum physics. It tells us that everything in the universe, from light to electrons to even you and me, exhibits both wave-like and particle-like properties. This isn't just a theoretical idea. It's the fundamental nature of reality at the quantum level. This discovery completely changed how we understand the universe. In classical physics, waves and particles were considered completely different things. Particles were thought to be localized objects with definite positions. They had mass, momentum, and followed clear trajectories through space. Waves, on the other hand, were spread out continuously. They could diffract around obstacles, interfere with each other, and had no definite position. These two descriptions seemed mutually exclusive, but quantum mechanics revealed that this separation was an illusion. In 1905, Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, showing that light behaves as discrete packets of energy called photons. When light hits a metal surface, it can eject electrons, but only if the light has enough energy. The key equation is E equals h nu, where E is the energy of a photon, h is Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency of the light. This discovery proved that light, which we thought was purely a wave, also has particle properties. But light also behaves as a wave. In 1801, Thomas Young performed the famous double-slit experiment. When light passes through two narrow slits, it creates an interference pattern of bright and dark bands on a screen. This pattern can only be explained if light behaves as a wave that interferes with itself. So we have a puzzle. Light acts as a particle in some experiments and as a wave in others. In 1924, French physicist Louis de Broglie made a revolutionary proposal. If light waves can behave as particles, he reasoned, then maybe particles can behave as waves. He proposed that every particle with momentum has an associated wavelength, given by the equation lambda equals h divided by p, where lambda is the wavelength, h is Planck's constant, and p is the momentum of the particle. Let's break down this equation. Lambda represents the wavelength of the matter wave. H is Planck's constant, a fundamental constant of nature. And p is the momentum, which equals mass times velocity. This simple formula connects the wave properties of matter to its particle properties. The smaller the momentum, the larger the wavelength, and the more obvious the wave behavior becomes. De Broglie's hypothesis was soon confirmed experimentally. In 1927, Clinton Davisson and Lester-Germer fired a beam of electrons at a nickel crystal. They observed diffraction patterns, exactly like those produced when X-rays diffract through crystals. This was direct evidence that electrons, which we always thought were particles, could behave as waves. Matter waves were real. So here's the profound truth. Wave-particle duality is not something that can be turned on or off. Every particle in the universe exhibits wave properties, and every wave exhibits particle properties. This is not a matter of choice or measurement technique. It's the fundamental nature of quantum reality. Quantum objects are neither purely waves nor purely particles. They are something entirely new. You might wonder why we don't see baseballs or cars behaving like waves in everyday life. The answer lies in the de Broglie equation. For macroscopic objects, the mass is enormous. Since wavelength equals Planck's constant divided by mass times velocity, large masses result in incredibly tiny wavelengths, far too small to observe. This is why quantum effects only become noticeable at the atomic and subatomic scale. The key takeaway is this: quantum objects are neither waves nor particles in the classical sense. They are both simultaneously. What we observe, whether wave-like or particle-like behavior, depends on how we choose to measure them. This is the heart of wave-particle duality, and it reveals that reality at the quantum level is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.